Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Say morning.
Morning.
So we're about to get ready to head to Tasha's day rave. And what else are we doing, guys?
Nothing. Just chilling.
Tell them what you're eating.
Uh-uh.
Nothing. So what's in your hand?
I'll be said cheeks. Said cheeks.
So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm ready. Keeping it simple for right now because it's hot outside. And she got a present. You like it? Yes. So she's taking long to hurry up. This is some good lighting.
I'm tired.
Hold on, guys. Let me go get a picture. Alright, so we are walking now. And it's hot as hell. Why are you limping, Jay? Say hey to the vlog.
Hi.
So, we're on.
Outfit of the day.
Oh yes, outfit of the day. Oh, I showed them already. Fia outfit of the day. And then I was gonna condition my hair when I got in the house, but tomorrow we're going to a splash party, so I might as well do that tomorrow, right?
No.
Yeah? Because then I'm gonna have to wash it again tomorrow.
So you can condition it, then go and color splash. Then
That's why I said I'm gonna do it tomorrow after color splash.
But
Instead of
by
condition it tonight.
tomorrow.
You get what I'm saying? After the party.
Okay. I understand. But yeah, so you can do it after tomorrow.
Because that's true. Alright, yeah. So after
You not
tomorrow.
have no sense.
So after tomorrow, I'll fix this because it's starting to get a little, because it's hot and, you know. Alright. Let me soon come when we reach.
Bye.
Alright guys, so I'm walking back to the house real quick. It's hot as hell and I want to use the bathroom and kind of want to take a nap. They don't know that part yet. But yeah, so I'll be going back down in a few. So soon forward.
Abby, what going? Ready to go up on our road? Ready to go up on our road? Yeah? Say cheese. He's so cute.
So my quick nap turned into a 3-hour nap. So now I walk back now.
We might share the same culture.
Money come my brain, money come my brain, every woman, every man.
Yes, so we're at Rave party. I go and good and something. And it's the people them go on with change of selector. Yeah.
Look at the ghetto. DJ JC, you want it? Girl is from your band. From me get girl easy. Sound the alarm. Someone who want a girl, tell them to keep calm. 40 and no get no youth. I better if you never born. In one look me, take a glass on. I think I got to this with your ass on. Baby boy, me girl, baby boy. You keep like you have anybody, you make it up to the dark hotel. Here, so you can keep first time to do all the rest.
The juice truck turned over, so everybody's running to go get something now. Wow. Everybody gonna go take their juice. There's more down there. You can't even see them. Yeah.
My fingernail feel hot. But I had your fork.
No, so we're walking to see what's really going on. Or whatever. Everybody just so they ain't come out of their car too? Oh no. Hey yo! You gotta drop money. Russell! You know, so say you drop money. You watch ya. Where you tell her? We're on God now. Away there. Everybody. Watch out. Alright guys, hold on. We get action now. Watch ya. Everybody are done. Now we have to watch out. Come on, yo. No, sir. Auntie, where you get? I'll auntie get you. So everybody have up their drinks. Granny, how are you? Believe me. Hey, why would I do that? Alright, so we're walking up to the house real quick. Phone want charge, people want pee. Oh, they look something there. So we'll be right back. Yo, everybody rack their trunk up with juice. And, trunk, purse,
all the
backpack.
people who got a problem.
Here you. Deidre, you have to stop it. Right, Joel, girl. Juice truck turn over and everybody are gonna go thief juice. You too thief. Say good night. Oh crap. Say good night to the vlog.
Say good night to the vlog.
Tell them what we're doing for tonight.
Tell them what we're doing for
Hard
tonight.
boogins.
What the heck is that?
Wait, hard stickling then.
Stickles.
Hello. This I go for YouTube, but I told I'm keeping my stuff PG-13. Okay,
Hard boogins.
Abby, what's going on for the
Say
night?
hard boogins, Abby.
Abby, don't listen to them.
I was a stickle.
The tear stickling. The stickle.
Stickety.
Say bro. Midnight. Fast.
So, I assume we're not going anywhere.
Nope.
We're just chilling.
Yep.
Every day I cause trouble.
Come on, I'm better,
And
man.
Mr. Forget your last name. That one.
That's what they say, boy. You can't forget my name. Bird.
Anyways, guys, we're going to our bed. So, say good night.
Say good night.
And tomorrow is what?
Color splash.
Color
Summer
splash.
birthday party.
And a birthday party. And yeah, all day. So many.
Don't care about summer party tomorrow.
So, good night. Pepsi, say good night.
Pepsi, say good night.
Pepsi.
Say bro.
That's it. Alright, she said good night.
What come on here? What many video guy? You know you think that bro. Me.
I want to nearly box him down.
Me?
Box down
I like India will get back. So where was I?
Me don't know.
So India do forget back.
Me did I go get box?
Boy, he might talk up to OK and know so OK jealous wife.
Netflix and chill tonight.
Yeah.
Netflix and chill tonight. We get Netflix. Where we are gonna watch Tasha?
Power.
Why they free?
Hold on the phone Netflix.
Power on Netflix.
No.
Good.
Take it back off.
No. So this little turd just bruised my lip. Yeah man, me soon come. Me I go box him up. And I sleep. You plugged out Abby's phone.
Ooh.
Alright guys, so yeah, seriously this time, good night. It is raining, so we ain't going nowhere for tonight. And yeah, we just finessed Mike's Netflix, so we're about to watch some movies. And then tomorrow we go to Color Splash and go see Auntie and all that stuff. So see you guys tomorrow. You too thief! Guys, a juice truck turn over and everybody are gonna go thief juice. You too thief!
Throw in the towel and give up. When work just a stress me, I'm a girl now caress me. You me have a few spots, so when me rally back, and all of my problem them left me. Someone big up the corner shop, big up my lane, big up my block, big up anywhere you can chill.